Hello, hashtag We Gamma Math. I just want to real quickly give you a week in review because we're going to have a lot of moving parts this week, and I want to make sure everybody is set up for success. So we are in our 6 weeks, and you all know that we've had a lot of things going on, but I do want to celebrate you all for all the hard work you are doing. Just so you'll know, I'm going to send this all in email as well, but I like to include the video aspect too for those who would prefer to just watch the video instead of reading. So notice that I have color coded. So if you look at your color code, you can quickly glance and see what pertains to you. So I would glance at my name as well as the green, which means everyone needs to have this going. So let's jump into it. On Monday, we will be meeting with, or by we, I mean myself and Ann and Norton, will be meeting to discuss our 2 blended learning lunches this week. Woohoo! So Williams and Russo will be lunching blended learning. So let's all support around them, give them some tips and tricks. Robinson and Allison, Durden and Smith, anything you've seen that has been working for you all, please make sure you love on them, give them some tips and tricks, and just check in with them to make sure that they're still alive by the end of the day. Please note that all grades must be turned in by the end of day tomorrow, because we are going to spend the entire morning of open house trying to print out everything, because we're trying to give people enough time to get everything in. So if you don't meet that deadline, it will result in an email, because we really just need to get this done so that we can be on time for printing. Also, there will be no O3s for Robinson and Allison on tomorrow, but I will be working with the O3s for Russo and Williams. This is so that we can just really focus on supporting them around their blended learning, and also so I can get prepared on Monday and Tuesday. I can get prepared for the open house and make sure that we have everything printed and ready to go. However, our focus for Russo is going to be Zern. Even though there's no O3, Robinson and Allison, please just ensure that your grades are up to date, your tests, if you've taken any, are recently scanned, and that you are ready and prepared with your team, since both of you all are grade level chairs, for open house on the next day. Just so you will know, I will be having a meeting with O3 with Williams on Tuesday, and I'm adding open house. It is from 5:30 to 7:30. And food will be provided. So just make sure that you don't really leave campus, because we won't have time, but that you are available and that food will be provided on Tuesday from 5:30 to 7:30. Also, on Wednesday, I will be out. I have a regional leadership meeting. However, Ann will be here to support Russo Lunch in phase 1 of Zern. And Russo, just make yourself available during your breaks on that day, because I'm sure you all are going to be doing a lot of debriefing, reflecting, and refining as you go throughout the day. So just be flexible on that day. Lesson plans are due for all on Wednesday. That means scan and upload it. If you have any issues, please let me know so that I can support. Thursday, I will be supporting Russo and Williams, but primarily Williams for that day. He will be launching the MIZ grant, which is another grant we have received to help students be able to go into Think Through Math and other online programs. So he will be launching a very different version of the blended learning that we've been doing. It's the half and half setup. So definitely check out the classroom and come in, and Allison and Robinson, please provide any feedback. It will be a little different from what you all doing, but you definitely and most certainly can give your feedback. Also, Williams, be prepared to have an O3 that day, and be prepared to debrief with me throughout the day so that we can refine and ensure that you are set up for success as you roll out your flipped model, or your version of flipped model. Last but not least, we are going to have a dance off. Wiki dance off. Wiki. Hashtag We Gamma Math. We are going to be having a dance off, and we are going to create a feature video to recruit our students as we progress through the year. So get your wiki dance moves together. All right. More details will be coming for that. But right now, I want to focus on us launching blended learning, our last 2 classes, supporting one another, getting those grades in, and let's rock out open house on Tuesday. Make sure our parents are informed and ready to roll.